Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the overlay and make it transparent right in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to select the image with right and I'm going to select um, another I'm going to select overlay and put on top another clip like so. I'm going to resize and how to make it transparent. So before I'm going to remove the background, just click auto cutout. Alright, go to basic and you can scroll down and adjust body opacity to make it transparent, or you can select the mode of plane, right then screen darken. Alright, it's super simple. That's how you can add the overlay and make it transparent. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.